Hey! Hello and welcome again to another exciting video of PHP Explained. Today we are going to discuss PHP operators. We will discuss PHP operators step by step with the help of examples. Our traditional learning cycle what, why, how will be used once again. Operators are used to performing calculations and operations on variables and values. From the very childhood, we are familiar with operators. When we start mathematics we are accustomed to operators. In programming including PHP, operators are very much involved. Mainly operators are doing calculations. A simple addition to grocery shop to high-level arithmetics, all dealing with calculations. These calculations use different symbols for additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions which are called operators. In programming, apart from these traditional operators, other symbols are also used for different performances and called operators. In PHP, operators are divided into different categories based on their nature. We will see these groups first and then dive deep into them. We are arranging these PHP operators according to their popularity and usage. Let us discuss these operators one after another. We will display the operators in a table format and then explain with examples. 1. Arithmetic operators. These are used to perform basic mathematics such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and a few others. In addition, add two values. Subtraction minus one value from another. Multiplication multiplies two values. Division divides a value from another. Modulus displays the remainder of the division. Exponentiation is raising $a to $bth power. 2. Assignment operators. The PHP assignment operators are used with numbers only. These are used to write a value to a variable. The basic assignment operator is an equal sign. At first, we may confuse the assignment operator with an equal sign. Don't make this mistake. The equal to sign or operator is written as two equal signs one after another, which is a comparison operator, whereas the single equal sign is called an assignment operator. Here is how these are used. 3. Incrementing/decrementing operators. PHP supports C-style increment and decrement operators. The PHP increment operator is used to increase the value of a variable by 1. The PHP decrement operator is used to decrease the value of a variable by 1. Again, this can be classified as post and pre. For the post, the value returns first and then increases or decreases it by 1. For the pre, the value increases or decreases by 1 first and then returns it. Here is how these are used. 4. Comparison operators. The PHP comparison operators are used to compare two values. Comparison operators are used with PHP conditionals or if-else. Here is how these are used. 5. Logical operators. The PHP logical operators are used to combine two or more conditional statements. Logical operators are used with PHP conditionals or if-else also. Here is how these are used. 6. String operators. The PHP string operators are used to join two or more strings. Here is how these are used. 7. Array operators. The PHP array operators are used to compare arrays. The right side array will be merged with the left side array using the plus operator. If there is any common key available on the right side array, then it will be discarded and the value of the left side array remains. Here is how these are used. 8. PHP conditional assignment operators. The PHP conditional assignment operators are used to set a value depending on one or more conditions. This operator is introduced in PHP 7. Here is how these are used. 9. Error control operators. The PHP error control operators are used to suppress any diagnostic error that might be generated by an expression. There is only one error control operator available, and that is @. Here is how these are used. 10. Execution operators. The PHP execution operators are used to run the shell command. There is only one execution operator available and it is called backticks and written by backtick sign. The backtick sign is very similar to a single quote sign, but it is not. It is available on your keyboard, generally in the top left corner where number keys are available. It is the very first key on that row just before the number 1 key. Here is how these are used. In this example, the Unix shell command displays the list of files that are hidden. 11. Type operators. The PHP type operators are used to find the type of an object. Here is how these are used. In this example, the output will be true, as the $A is an object of the class myClass. 12. Bitwise operators. The PHP bitwise operators are used to perform bit-level operations on the values. The values are first converted to bit level and perform calculations. The mathematical operations are performed at the bit level for faster processing. Here is how these are used. Big congrats! Thank you for being with us till the end of this video. Hopefully, you understand well how different PHP operators are working. Let us know if you have any questions. Add your remarks in the comment below. See you once again with another knowledgeable and exciting video soon. In the meantime, you can watch other videos of PHP Explained. Thank you once again and see you.